Brighter Bites is a nutrition education program. So the kids will be getting nutrition education lessons here at school, and then we're sending home fresh fruits and vegetables to reinforce some of that healthy eating messaging. Somerset ISD being a rural community outside of San Antonio, but still within Bexar County, we know that the families are still experiencing some of those food insecurity issues, even more so at times. And so it's a really good opportunity to be able to bring this program into this school district. We had all the volunteers that we needed, which for us is the biggest help that we can get, is having that volunteer support. You know, working with the school to ensure that the families knew what we needed to do, the teachers were aware of what was going on. It was a really smooth process. Seeing the kids get excited and they're curious about what's in the bags, what are we taking home, what is Brighter Bites, right? And they start to tell us, you know, oh, I love bananas, I love apples. But for the families, I think it helps to not only alleviate some of the burden of grocery shopping, because we are sending home on average 15 to 20 pounds of produce at every distribution, but it's also giving them the tools to teach their kids healthy eating habits. And so our families get really excited when they know it's a Brighter Bites day.